All right, so welcome everyone, those who will view this online. Welcome to the Click Right Math Lessons. It's the most interactive math lesson online where each child learns and participates by God's grace. So this evening we are looking at substituting and changing the subject of the formula. So we're going to go through it and have the students understand well. So we're going to start with number 13 and we're going to move on from there. So in question 13, this said that R is equal to 2 divided by S plus T. But the question did give us the value of S. So S was equal to a half and T was equal to a quarter. So we want to add, because it's 2 divided by a half plus a quarter. So in a working column, you could do that. A half plus a quarter is 3/4, right? So a half plus a quarter, 4 is the LCM. So 2 into 4, 2. 2 times 1, 4 into 4, 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So that gives me 3/4. So now it is 2 divided by 3 divided by 4. But let me write this another way to show you how easy you could get this answer. So look at this very carefully. It is 2 divided by 3/4. So could somebody tell me what I should do, because I need to change the division sign. Now I'm going to put 2/1 since I'm dealing with fraction. So what's the first thing I do?
You flip the other fraction,
Right, and do what? Change the
multiply,
sign to,
multiplicate.
Multiplicate
so it will,
time.
correct.
What?
All right, nothing could cancel, so that leaves me with 2 times 4 over 3. All right, so that's a little trick. Yes, Duncan, go ahead. That's a little trick to do, right? You write it, you change how it's being written, so you rewrite. All right, so this is what we had initially, and then you rewrite to look like this. So the answer, if you want to simplify, is equal to, R is equal to 2, 3, 2, 6, 7, 8, and 2/3.
So we have to simplify for that one.
Well, either one, it doesn't matter. I'm taking either one for the answer. That's okay.
Okay.
If you have 8/3, that's okay. If you have 2 and 2/3, that's okay. So the little problem was here. When you get 2 divided by 3/4, rewrite it. But 2 divided by 3/4. All right, so take this down, everybody. Notice my equal sign under equal sign. I give you 10 seconds to rewrite, and we move on to number 14. 10 seconds, go ahead. All right, so ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. So the next one, gonna look at the other one. So I'm going to erase this and move on. But I'm recording, so all right. So let's go again. Number 14. Anybody got an answer for number 14 already?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right. So I want everybody to put in the chat what was the answer for number 14. You had let me just write it again because it's a little fuzzy. So in that question 14, it was R over, so hold on. Divided by P minus Q. Oops, oops. So N was equal. All right.
Excuse sir, I want to know if you hear me better now.
Yes, Duncan, I'm hearing you. Hold on, just give me 1 minute. Right, so let's go. I just got a call, someone trying to get into the class. All right, so N, right, N is equal to N is equal to R over P minus Q. All right, so that was question 14. R is equal to 4. P is 3. And Q is -5. All right, so before I look at this, I will take people's answers. So send me answers first, and then I would look at tell you if you are correct or not. This one is a little tricky, but not that tricky. All right, so I'm looking at answers to tell you all if you're so it's sending it to You're sending, oh, so Renicia, you send it to my WhatsApp, right? So, Samaya, that's correct. Matthew, that's correct. Josiah, very good, that's correct. All right, some people sending it to my WhatsApp. Very good, very good. Yes, Manisha, that's correct. Renicia, correct. Nicholas, correct. Duncan. Yeah, but you could do it now, Duncan. You could do the question now. Isaiah,
Okay,
check,
sir. I
Isaiah, check
understand.
it again. I would write it for people, so it's n equals to 4 divided by 3 minus -5. Donnell, correct. Very good, very good. Just bring my bathroom, please. Any more? Any more answers? What about the others? Emmanuel, you sent your answer? Faith? I think I saw Faith answer. Sorry? What did you say, Emmanuel?
Not as yet, sir.
Why are you taking so long? What is 4 divided by 3 minus 5?
I'm
That's
finishing.
easy. Kimani, you sent your answer?
It's an answer.
All right, good. The person with Samsung SM4065M, could you put a name so I could call you? Kyla, you sent an answer? I think I got Nicholas, yeah. That was correct. Very good, Nicholas. Matthew, you sent anything to me yet?
No, sir, and send a picture.
You sent? You sent it?
No, sir, I'll send it now.
Oh, all right. You could either send it on WhatsApp or on, when you send it on WhatsApp, I'm able to see you're working.
No, well, I sent it on Zoom here in the private chat.
Yeah, that's all right. Send it wherever. That's all
Well,
right.
I did send.
Faith, where's Faith? Faith, you sent me an answer? Oh, yes, and I saw Faith's work. Faith, please do not skip a line. Don't
All
skip
right,
a
sir.
line.
Okay.
All right. But that's correct. I guess it's how you're writing. All right, so people, I think you're all pretty good on this. So when you have a negative, two negatives coming together, it means positive. So it's actually 4 divided by 3 plus 5. You all need me to write that as a note, or everybody knows that? When two negative sign comes together, the answer is positive. It changes to a plus. If it's a negative and a positive sign, it changes to a minus sign. All right, that's something to know. Right? So that will now be n is equal to 4 over 8. So n is equal to 0.41, 0.82, a half. Everybody okay with that? Everybody okay? Talk to me, people. Talk to me. Don't let me feel.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I guess it's.
Yeah.
All right, great. So let's go on
Yes,
to
sir.
number 15. Everybody took this one already. Can I move on to 15?
Yes, sir. I took a screenshot.
Oh, well, you don't have to take a screenshot because the class is recorded. You could go back to YouTube and look at it. All right, number 15.
Sir, I did send my answer for number 15 already to you.
Oh, you sent 15 too? All right, Faith.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. So A is equal to BC minus a half DC. Now, I want to ask somebody a question. It's an easy question, but I'm going to ask it anyhow. So, Isaiah, when you see BC, what does that mean? B and C coming together means what? Sorry, Isaiah?
Not too sure.
Yeah, you know it, man. BC, make a guess. That's all right. That's all right. Try, Isaiah. BC, because A is equal to BC. What does BC mean? Isaiah. Make a guess, Isaiah. Just now, Duncan. Let Isaiah try.
Negative,
No, no. BC. What does BC mean? 2 letters. All right. BC means to multiply.
Before Christ.
Well, no, don't try that. Means to multiply B by times C. All right, everybody? So BC means not before Christ in this case, but B multiplied by C. Now, they gave us what B is. B was 3. C is -4. And D is equal to 7. All right, so what does DC mean, Isaiah? Or what does a half DC? Let's put everything together. So negative a half DC will mean what? If you're telling your little brother or sister, what you'll tell them that they have to do with the half, it will be a half what? Isaiah.
Uh-huh.
Multiply. So it is 3 multiply. So I'm using brackets. 3 multiply by -4 minus a half. I'm going to use a multiply sign. Multiply by D, which is 7, multiply by -4. You understand that, Duncan?
To somewhere, sir, somewhere.
Huh?
Somewhere there, sir.
Somewhere you lost them.
Sir,
Where
you could
lost
check your
Duncan?
WhatsApp.
Tell me.
Sir, you could check your WhatsApp, sir, please. I
Huh?
don't know if
No, I'm not
I don't
checking my
know.
WhatsApp. Just pay attention. You're going to get it. You're going to get it. It
No,
takes
for number 13.
for number 13, but
Yes,
we are
man.
number
Yes, sir.
15 just now. All right. Duncan. Oh, oh, yeah, but oh, all right. Okay, okay. Okay, Duncan. Cool. So we're doing 15 now. Let's see. Emmanuel. Okay, Emmanuel. Alike. Okay, good. Donnell. Donnell, you sending the answer for this one time. All right, so I'm starting all over. This is BC. It means B times C minus minus a half times DC. So BC, whatever B is, what is B, everybody? What is B equal to, everybody?
3.
3.
3, sir.
And what is times? Duncan, what is C?
So C equals -4.
Hold on, Bassi, just hold him off. What is C, Duncan?
So -4, sir.
-4. So this 3 times -4 minus, oh, just give me 1 sec. This, all right, okay. So it's a half times D times C. All right, so it's a half times D, which is 7, times C, which is -4. What is 3 times -4?
-12.
-12. Thank you, Nicholas. Now, here the trick with this one. I have the half, so I'm going to use the half part. I'm going to use the half, but I'm going to multiply it by -4. I'm just going to do this part. So I'm going to say 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 4, 2. So a half times -4 is how much?
2.
No,
-2.
-2.
-2, sir.
Right. So you have -2 times 7.
-14.
So let's write that's -2 times 7. I'm only doing this part.
-14.
Correct. But earlier on, let me see if people remember. earlier on, I told Manisha, what did I say when two negative signs come together, Manisha? When two negative signs, Manisha, come together, what happens, sir? Manisha? I didn't hear what you say. I saw your mic go on, Manisha, but I didn't hear what you say. I'm not hearing you, Manisha. Probably you'll have to log off and log back in. Alike, when two negative signs come together, what do we get? Alike,
A positive C.
thank you. So now we have negative 12 plus 14. Right. Good, 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 good. So, Faith, negative 12 plus 14, what we doing? Are we adding or subtracting, Faith?
So we are subtracting.
Subtracting. So is my
Sir, you might mute it, sir. You might mute it, sir.
Yeah, sorry about that. There was an emergency today, and the vice principal just called me. Just finished talking to the police. All right. So negative 12 plus 14 equals to 2. You know, and one evening next, or probably later on today, I would just do a little speed rounds with people and directed numbers, seeing if you how good you are at directed numbers. So it's -12 plus 14 is +2. Everybody okay with this? Or anybody want me to go over this question? Don't be afraid.
Okay.
All right. Anybody else? Duncan just spoke. Anybody else?
So you can go
All
over
right.
it
So,
again. So
sorry.
sir.
you can go over it again.
Yes, Isaiah, I can go it over. All right. So, let's go it over for Isaiah's sake and anybody else. So I'm going to erase. Now, I'm not taking this. Oops. I'm not taking off what. All right, so I'm taking off this and this, right? So we know what B is, we know what C is, we know what D is. We want to find for A. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. So once you see two numbers coming together, it means that letter multiply by the other letter. Don't forget that. So it's written here that BC means B multiplied by C. Make sure that you wrote this down. Well, you write it now. Well, I'm just assuming you wrote it, but it's in the past tense. All right, so B is 3, and we multiplying by -4. So it's 4 times -4, which is -12. Minus, it's a half times 7 times -4 over 1. All right, a half times 7 times -4 over 1. So here, what are we doing? So I'm not using the negative sign, right? I'm just using the half times 7 times -4 over 1. Now, the nice thing is that I can work with the 2 and the -4. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into -4 is -2. So that will give me 1 times 7 times -2, which is -14 over 1, which is the same as -40. Is that okay? Anybody lost? So it is, remember we have the negative sign and we got -14. And someone said someone said this evening, when you have this negative sign together, it makes a positive. So that's what we did. So that is a little trick. So it's -12 plus 14. Now, when the signs are different, subtract the numbers. And we're going to follow the sign of the bigger number. So 14 is bigger than 12. In front of the sign is plus. So that's how we got A equals to 2. All right, Isaiah? Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, so you could go back to the YouTube video, play it over again. So let's do number 16. Let's do number 16. First of all, number 16. So V is equal to a half multiply. Always remember when you see the bracket, it means multiply. X minus Y squared. But they told us what the values are. So X is equal to 3 and Y is equal to -5. So it's a half. Work the brackets first. 3 minus -5 squared. Can somebody tell me what is 3 minus 5?
3
Yes.
minus -5.
How much?
8.
That is 8.
That's
So
8.
negative.
Thank you. It's 8. Because these two negative signs become positive.
Sir, excuse sir.
Yes, Duncan.
I want to know if before we change the actually fully answer the question, I want to know if I could just see if I could send you the answer, because I think I know
Yeah,
the
go
answer.
ahead. Send me the answer, everybody. Send me the answer. You could send it to my WhatsApp or you could send it to
So for number 16, and you have to multiply 8 2 times.
correct. Very good. Who just said that?
Me, Sir Kyla.
Yes, Kyla. Very good, Kyla.
So I sent you my answer already.
All right, so I'll look at it.
So you're
So mine's sent.
removing,
All right.
So mine's now sent.
All right. I'll send it.
you're
I'll look at
removing
it
the
just
two
now.
brackets.
Hold on.
So I sent you 16 and 17 one time.
So, just a quick question, right? So,
Yeah.
is it technically cheating if I use my calculator?
Go ahead and use a calculator, but I'll prefer if you don't use it just yet. The calculator is to check to see if you have the right answer. So before, Faith, that's correct. Before you should have checked to make sure that you have.
No, I went and I
Samaya
do the
dividing
sum,
by
right?
2, not 3.
So I went and I did the sum, and I said, I wonder if this is wrong. And afterwards, I used my calculator.
Right. So the calculator is to check to see if it's correct. Nicholas, that's correct. Duncan, I want to see you working. Take a picture. I want to see you working.
So
Kimani.
So I sent in mine just
Kimani,
now.
do not divide by 3. Divide by 2. Yeah, who talking? Kyla, I told you it was correct.
That is 8.
Just now. You sent your answer. You sent it on my WhatsApp?
So not yet, I was sending it.
Right, well, send it first. Renicia, that's correct.
I just now sent it.
Kyla, that's correct.
Okay, so
Now remember something, Kyla, that the brackets mean to multiply.
Okay,
I saw
sir.
you put something there. It means to multiply.
Well,
So just
okay.
remember that.
All right, sir.
Isaiah, you sent your work? Josiah, you sent your work? Josiah. What's Josiah, boy?
I sent my work, sir.
Emmanuel, yes, that's correct. Emmanuel. Isaiah, that's correct. Duncan. Duncan, boy, I don't want that answer. I want to see you working. I want to see how you worked it out.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah,
work it out.
thank you. Alike, that's correct.
Sir, but how you get two?
Sorry?
How you
Oh,
get two?
well, the question had a half multiplied by x minus y. So we change the x to 3, the y to -5. So it will be 3 plus 5, which is 8. 8 squared. 8 squared means multiplying 8 twice.
Sir, the picture was fuzzy. That why I wasn't seeing it properly, but I was watching
Okay.
it.
That's why I sent it twice, you know. There's the I think I took the fuzzy one. But there's the other one that looks cleaner. Yeah.
So I
So
could send
everybody,
number 17 and see if you are correct.
it's a half. 8 squared is 64. Twenty-two 1,
So I sent it to you,
64,
sir.
32. Yeah, but Duncan, I want you to take down the question because I want you to do it just like I did it here. Take it down now.
Okay, sir.
Yes, that's how I want you to do it.
Okay.
Take it down quickly so we can move on.
So I could just go and grab a glass of water, please, and come back, please.
Oh gosh, write it down first now, Duncan, and then go for a glass of water. Please, please. Because I don't want to keep people
So
Manisha, you sent anything to me?
So I send all of them at the same time.
Oh, really have to send back because I'm not and I only taking what comes as it comes. I look at it. Matthew, you send anything to me?
yes, I sent it to you.
All right. When we
So the
started,
question too, or just the working?
I need to see the working. The working is what is important. Right, Manisha, very good. The working is the most important thing. In CXC, the answer is 1 mark called K1, knowledge, and it's the lowest one that you could get. So this is called K1. The working is called C1. It's the second highest value you could get. And the highest value is R1, reasoning 1. All right. 10 seconds more and then we move on. Now, when you get knocked out, please log back in because I'm seeing a few persons, 2 persons got knocked out and did not return. All right, so let's move on. We could move on now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So I
sir.
almost done too. So I almost done too.
Oh, sorry.
Not a screenshot. I go back to the screenshot.
Oh, but remember, the class is recorded, so you could always go it over after. All right?
Oh, okay, so.
Yeah, on YouTube. All right, so what are we doing? Number 17. Number 17, P is equal to 2 times, and that's why I'm writing it, Samaya, for people who cannot see properly. So because it's fuzzy. So it's 2 times Q plus 5 times everybody. This once they are together like that, it means multiply 5 times R times T. All right, so they gave us the value for Q. So Q is 8 and R is -2. And T is a half. Negative.
Essential too.
All right. So I want people to substitute the numbers first. Duncan,
Wait,
you would
sir,
write. Duncan, you seen this, right?
sir,
Yes, sir.
Right. So, sorry. Yes, go ahead.
that is a Q?
Yes, it's a Q.
I think
2Q.
it's not 0.
Yeah, yes. Sorry. It's Q.
Okay.
Sorry.
Well, my
Just do it.
answer,
Yeah, do it over. So, Duncan, the next thing will be 2 times 8 because Q is 8 plus 5
Then,
times -2 times -1/2. Everybody okay with that?
Yes, sir.
so you could say it all off but the over, please.
Well, I'm just saying the value for R. The value for R is -2.
Oh.
The value
Oh,
for
oh, oh,
T is -1/2. So it's 5 times R times T. Because when we started off today, I told you all RT means R times T. All right. Everybody okay with this? All right. So I'm going to ask people now to send me the answer.
So wait, hold on.
All right. All right.
That's still
Okay.
working
So
it
let me
out.
just give you a little more time. But those persons, this was homework. So if you sent it, if you did it already, you could send it over to me. Yes, Duncan, you could eat and work. So use your WhatsApp. I like people sending their work on WhatsApp because I'm actually seeing what's happening. Renicia, correct. Very good, Renicia. Samaya, very good. Nicholas, very good.
Sir, I just sent it to you.
That's now Kyla. Kyla, you made a little mistake. So let me show you your mistake. Remember, Kyla, it's a half. Sorry, it's 5. I put in 5 over 1 times -2 over 1 times -1 over 2. Come on, what
Sir,
yeah? Yes, Kyla.
I was supposed to do that?
Yeah, that represents this part here. So it's 5 times 2, or you could put -10 if you want. You could write it like that. Put it over 1 and you multiply by Emmanuel. All right, let's start with Alike. Alike, correct. Emmanuel, yes, correct, Emmanuel.
Sorry, back there.
Just now,
Oh, yeah.
Duncan. Let me just answer Isaiah. Isaiah, if you are multiplying -10, Isaiah, multiply by -1/2, would you answer 2 negative values? What you'll get? Still a negative or a positive?
A positive two.
Right, but you check your work. Check your work. You have your answer as -5. Check your line 1, 2, 3, 4. Line 4. Check line 4, Isaiah. That was a mistake. Right, so Kyla, that's correct.
Thank you, sir.
Well, thank yourself. Manisha, where you get? Oh, Manisha, 2 times a half is not 4. Let me write it out for you. -2 times a half. Manisha, what that? -2 over 1 times -1 over 2. It's not 4. That is a mistake. Check that again, Manisha. Good try, but check that again. Where's Matthew? Is Matthew here? Where's Matthew? Matthew?
Yes, I'm here.
I ain't got nothing from you.
But so I sent it.
You sent it already?
Yeah.
Let me check that, boy. No, you sent it to teacher?
No, I
TE.
sent on WhatsApp.
Right, and what's, oh, no, Matthew. No, Matthew, you have to send it to WhatsApp. You sent it long time, send it again.
Oh, okay, no problem, sir.
Please.
Which question you wanted?
17.
Okay, no problem.
Faith, you sent your answer already? Faith and Donnell. Faith and Donnell, you sent any work to me?
Yes, sir, I did. Yes, I did.
You sent it to my WhatsApp?
Yep, long time. I told you I sent 16 and 17 together.
Yes. Sorry, Faith. Sorry, all right. Don't hold that against me, Faith. Sorry. I seen that you do this one time. Yeah. Sorry. Donnell, Donnell sent us. Let me say, boy. Oh,
Sir, I make a mistake with
yeah.
number 17.
You made a mistake.
Yeah, with number 17.
Yeah. Nicholas. Oh, Nicholas, you're an easy. You sending in next answer for me already. But your answer for number 17 is correct. All right. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about, man. I think I'll getting better and better. Real fast, though. Real fast. This question here I'd ask somebody. Oh, Manisha. 22-1, 22-1. -1 times -1 is +1. Times 5 will give me 5. Or 22-1, 20-10, 5. -5 times -1 is equal to -5. +5. All right, so
Check your WhatsApp now for my greatness, sir.
Okay, Duncan. You're looking good. Yeah, that's correct, Duncan. I'm not sure. All right. Okay. I don't like all the stating down all the work though. We'd already state work down like
So I'll
that.
come back.
All right. I don't like all the stating all the work down. That is a little problem for me. Because you all are going into Form 4 and a little higher level of maths is expected. All right. A2s are 16 plus 5 times 2, which is -10. Well, that's -2. So 5 times -2 is -10 times -1/2. All right, so we have 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 10, 5. -5 times -1 is +5. So that's 16 plus 5, which is 21. All right. So people, I want equal sign under equal sign. I want it stated down like this. So I know like Duncan and so on, I know y'all, but I really prefer it stated down like this. Right, Matthew? Okay, good.
Yeah, sir.
With your
It's
equal sign. So then you could just add P is equal to 21. Always put equal sign. Go ahead, Kyla.
excuse me.
Yes?
So in Hammonds we don't do it like that because we like we think neat now and it's more easier to understand, but I guess.
Yeah, the other parts you'll have to do it in a working column, but I want you to state it down like this. You have to get accustomed to this. All right, you have to get accustomed to writing and stating things down in a different way. That's how CXC requires it. So I'm not going to teach you this in Form 5. You're learning it now. Right? Because a Form 4 class and a Form 5 class is not very different. It's only the level of work. So take this down quickly. You have 10 seconds. If you didn't get it down, you'll have to go to the YouTube video and take it down.
Just a quick question, right? So you posting them thing on YouTube?
Yes, it's in the chat. I always post it on the
No,
chat.
no. Like you posting it on YouTube or
Yes,
just on WhatsApp?
I post it. When I put it on WhatsApp, when you click on it, it opens in a YouTube file. Yes, it's on YouTube.
No way.
Why no way?
So I go and check that, sir.
Boy, be yourself now. Yeah, you don't believe that I posted it on YouTube. I post all the last class was on YouTube too, and the class before. It's always on YouTube. So that
It's actually on YouTube. No way.
yeah, my son laughing at you, Duncan. Yeah. So it's on YouTube so that it's always there for you to go it over. All right?
Well,
Okay.
look who gonna watch some YouTube tonight.
Right. So yeah, you look at it. We meet once a week now, but in the last week of term of Form 4, we'll be meeting twice a week because the work gets a little harder. Well, not harder, but it's more work to cover. So by the end of Form 4 or the beginning of Form 5, you could do a lot of stuff from the past paper. All right, so let's move
Wait,
on.
sir, you editing out all these stupid questions on them, or you leaving in all them stupid questions?
Yes, I leave in all this. I'm not editing because if I edit, it will take me a longer time to do. Yeah, no, I didn't make them private. I make it open. Now, some of the videos, I make it public, and some of them, okay, most of the videos now, I do not edit because to edit takes me too long to do. Just organizing the video on YouTube takes me until probably about 7 o'clock tonight. To edit, it will take me like a day.
YouTube channel.
Sorry?
Is it my YouTube channel?
Yes, I have a channel.
Or what is the name?
The name is Duncan and Hamley.
Yeah.
Give my shout out now, sir. Give my.
Yeah, I'll
I
give
should
you a
just go and do
shout
a
out.
shameless plug. I go and do a shameless plug.
Not yet. Yeah. All right, so number 18. Let's do number 18. Last one, A is equal to B minus C. Now, brackets mean multiply, people. Always remember that. And C minus D. So B is equal to 2. C is equal to 4. And D is equal to 7. So B is 2 minus C, which is 4, and C, which is 4, minus D, which is 7. So go ahead, everybody. Give me the answer, send me the answer on WhatsApp. Take a picture of your work, send it to me.
So I've done send it to you already.
All right, so I'll look at it shortly.
Sir, me too, sir. I sent it to you already.
All right. Send it over, because I'll have to go back. It's easy for me just to click on it now, and so just send it over for me, please. So Faith, that's correct. Just send it over, please. Faith, that's correct. Samaya, that's your sign. It
quick
should be
question, right,
it
sir?
should be positive, Samaya. Your answer. I'm seeing
Quick
where you
question,
made a
sir.
mistake, and that's the thing. One thing, I could actually see a mistake, Samaya, so you will still get the right answer. Right? So I've been marking CXC maths. And the nice thing with CXC maths is that that's why working and stating your work down is so important. Because Manisha, you made a mistake, correct answer, but the sign is wrong. Renicia, correct. Nicholas, correct. Alike, correct. Where's Kyla? Come
Sir,
on, Duncan. Work
again,
the
the thing should be out, right, sir? I just want to make sure. On the thing 2 minus is 2 minus 4, 4 minus 2.
2 minus 4, because B is 2 and minus 4, which is C.
Well,
All right, so
this is going to be
let me show you that. Remember, B is 2. B is 2.
Just now, I said cooking.
C is 4. So it's 2 minus 4. C again is 4. And D is 7. This one was supposed to be an easy one for you, Duncan.
Actually, I think I got it correct answer, sir.
Very good. I'm seeing Mirage. Is this Shadasha? Is that you? Shadasha? Mirage?
Right, sir. You could go and check it out, sir.
All right, so let me see what people. Okay, Shadasha. So Matthew, that's correct. Donnell, no, you made a mistake, Donnell. Negative 2 times negative 3, Donnell, is not 12. Negative 2 times negative 3. Isaiah,
Nobody
that's
tell me it was
correct.
multiplication. Nobody tell me it was multiplication.
Isaiah made a mistake in your statement though. It's not add. We're not adding. Brackets mean multiply, Isaiah. Duncan, you're multiplying. Why you put that little plus between them? So 2 minus. Let me write it down.
I'm gonna multiply too. I'm gonna multiply just now.
Right. Say a bracket. So 2 minus 2 is -2. And 4 minus 7 is -3. So that means brackets means multiply. So it's -2 times -3. Notice how I'm putting equal sign under equal sign. So -2 times -3 is 6. Right, good, Emmanuel. So for the next 5 minutes, what we're going to do, I'm going to do, you're sending your answers now to my.
Excuse me.
Yes,
So,
Kyla.
I'm a little bit,
Just now, let's hear Kyla.
so I'm a little bit confused as to what we are doing. I was in the bathroom. I didn't.
Ooh, well, you miss out real plenty. And it wouldn't be fair for me to go over all this. So what
I'll
you.
just go on YouTube and just get what's on it.
Yeah. So all I could tell you, I could go over the question now. I could tell you the question was A. Just now.
Okay,
Right.
sir, I get the last part.
Yeah. You got it now. So it was
Yeah.
A equal to
A equals
B minus C. But remember the brackets means multiply.
Yes, sir.
Right? The brackets means multiply. So it's B minus C, C minus D.
Okay.
But we know what B was. B is 2, C is 4, and D is 7. So when we substitute them, 2 minus 4 gives me -2. And 4 minus 7 gives me -3.
So -2 times -3 is equal to 6.
Correct.
Also again, no again.
Yeah, cool.
So my answer correct, sir?
You sent it to me on WhatsApp?
Yes, sir. I resent it.
I didn't see it.
Want me resend it again, sir?
You're sending it to my WhatsApp you're sending it to? You sure?
So I just don't send mine.
Yeah, well, I just saw Kyla's one, but you have -6. The answer is positive.
No, I'm not sure this is.
Duncan, I just saw it. Yeah. Okay, Duncan. It's 6 and not right. Okay, good. So what we want to do for the next 5 minutes of class. Yes?
My answer was correct.
The
Who is
correct
that?
answer.
Nicholas? Yeah, Nicholas, I went through, y'all didn't hear me. Yes, Nicholas, the answer was correct. You probably was doing something when I was saying it was correct. Yeah. All right, so people, for the next couple minutes, what we want to do, I'm going to the whiteboard now because we're just going to do some speed. You're just giving me the answer and you're sending it to the Zoom chat now. I'll give you a question and you send it to the Zoom chat. So we have about 10 questions to do and you're sending it to the Zoom chat. All right. So let's go. About 10 questions. Question 1. What is negative 8
Wait, just now. I
minus
said just now.
minus 3? Go ahead. You're sending your answers to the chat. Do not use calculators for this. No, you can't use
You
calculators.
know the answer. I already know the answer.
I was just about to grab a calculator
Right.
and
So
praise
when the
Lord.
signs are the same, what do we do?
Change it.
Rule. Same sign.
Add the number.
Positive is a positive, sir.
Add the
I already-
number.
I already
Same
know that.
signs, add the numbers. No calculators, add the numbers.
So the answer is
Send it to my WhatsApp. No, sorry, send it to my Zoom chat. Add the numbers. Same sign, add the numbers. That's then follow in your answer. Hold on. Darian,